relic dump, hot program. We're at 28 kilohertz. Somebody is burning some chicken, man. Somebody is burning some chicken. Right in there. Right there. A little bit of brass. I think so. Some copper. Some cut copper. It's weird, it's shiny on that side. There might be something else in the hole too. Yeah, there's something else in the hole there. Should have been reading up a lot higher than that. Some junk. Yeah. There's a little bit more iron. Oh, there's something down there, too. It's probably iron. Yep, it's a little piece of iron stock, round stock. Okay. And that hole there. Let's move on to my next one. I don't want to spend too long on the holes here, right? Because there's just so much iron around, I can just sit there and dig iron up for an hour in that hole there. I don't want to spend my time like that, right? Oh, come off there. I found my biggest horseshoe I've ever found right there. Right there. This last summer. I have my gain up too high right now. Look at that. Picking it right out, man. Picking it right out. My other detectors just were not hitting out on that. Something right on the surface here. Right? A lot of iron. Is that it? No, it's a walnut. Part of a walnut. Right there. Some foil. Some can slaw. Of course, I need my detector up here where I can hear it. There is some can slaw right there on the surface. Iron right there. Ooh, it's a hawthorn right there. It's a hawthorn bush. Nasty, wicked little bush, man. Right there, see all those thorns? That'll tear you up, man. I despise those hawthorns, man. Oh, there's so many low tones here, baby. I love it. I'm gonna put my small foil on. Back and get my small foil. Just waiting for a horseshoe to pop right out. Okay, I'm gonna get my small coil. I'm just struggling with this big coil here. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.